What's up, guys? This is your girl, Alicia. I'm just coming to you to let you know that in July I had joined the National Wealth Center through the GPS system, which stands for Guaranteed Profit Sales. I'm so excited and really happy that I joined this company because it guarantees you four sales in 30 days. How could I not want to join a company like this? I've been searching online for years trying to find the right opportunity to help me pay for school. You know, I'm in grad school. But this doesn't just pay for grad school. It helps me build a team. It helps me build residual income month after month after month. Come on, guys, think about it. A lot of opportunities doesn't provide residual income. So that's what I'm getting right now with this system. They build a team of four for me, and then after I'm out of the rotator, then my team they get their four, and then after that they get their four, and then it continues on and on and on. So if you're not convinced by now, just check out my website or go visit me on Facebook and you'll see for yourself how amazing this company is. Good people, good products, and it's still growing. We're up to 1,000 people in this organization. 1,000 people, and it's still growing. People are coming in. They're looking to retire. They're looking to pay their car notes, mortgage, student loans, childcare, whatever it is that you're trying to pay off. This is the company for you. I'm not trying to sell anything. I'm not trying to, but I am totally convinced that this is going to work for me. I'm looking forward to my future and receiving residual income with this company. So if you're interested, all you have to do is send me a message on Facebook, add me to Twitter, add me to Instagram, and also look for results. This company produces results. People, you're not going to get anything any better for this, anything better than this. It automatically gives you four sign-ups. All I have to say is join. You won't be sorry. You could come in at the $25 level. You could come in at the $50 level. You could come in at the $100 level. Whatever level you want to start up in, you could come in and you can start seeing results. Trust me, people, I'm a person just like you, skeptical, don't know what to join, newbie online. But when I came across this opportunity, I was hooked. And you have such a great team and support system that's there to help you along the way. I'm in it for the long haul. So if you're looking for an opportunity online, you failed numerous times, like myself, haven't made any money online, then this is the right opportunity for you. You're struggling in your business, you can't recruit, you don't know how to recruit. This is the place to be. Okay, so again, my name is Alicia. I'm signing out. Feel free to contact me. Ask me questions. Let me know if you have anything that you want to ask. All right. Peace out.